Hello everyone, it's Millicent from Deligreen, and today we are in our factory. And how is our ESS products produced? How many steps are there to make a system? There are 10 steps and 20 detail steps, so let's check how we are going to produce it. For example, QC engineers test all raw materials to ensure all materials are perfect. Check every day doing sample production and test. Do double agent test, whole performance test. We do as ISO standard to bring the perfect products for you. Hello everyone. Now let's see how the energy system is to produce. First, install the button and surround it with epoxy board. Fit the cells into the box. Install the straps on the cells. Next, weld the terminals and install the detective wires. Install the BMS and cables. Install the positive and negative terminal, power button, communication interface. Install negative and positive cables for power line. Fit the BMS and cables into the box. Install epoxy board on top of the cells. We can see here is the agent office area, and the worker is doing the agent test and sell the box and label it. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen. You can see here is the agent office area. And the agent test is a key process for judging the quality. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and now we are in the packing workshop, and we can see this is the inverter and here is the base. Later the worker will pack the inverter for you guys. We have multiple protection in packing to ensure that the products will not be damaged during transportation. We will use 2 packing mats, cartons, wooden boxes. Most of them use cartons, except for those heavy products that use wooden boxes, which will be safer. Hello, this is Millicent from Deligreen. So let's see what's inside this big box. We can see this is the inverter, and here is the base for the whole system, and here is the cable, and here is the system accessories. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and we can see now the ESS is working, and let's see how to install the ESS. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and later I'll introduce you guys ESS 5 features. The lithium battery cells are taking EV grade A with safety and stable performance. Cycle life can reach 6,000 plus times.
Multiple safety guarantee measures, smart BMS protection,
and fuse protection. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen. Here is the showroom, and we can see here this is the power wall. I will introduce the details for you guys. Now we are going to talk about power wall. We have 51.2 voltage, 5 kilowatt hour and 10 kilowatt hour power wall in stock. They are assembled by 16 pieces, EVE 100 ampere hour and 16 pieces, EVE 200 ampere hour, LiFePO 4 grade A+, LiFePO 4 battery with smart BMS built-in. We have specially choose elegant white for the power wall pack, which is a very versatile color that can be well matched with various decoration styles. Hello, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and we can see this is a hybrid solar inverter and it's 13 kilowatt. Hello guys, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and we can see here is the off-grid storage system. So let's see how it's work. It consists of PV modules and inverter, battery pack, and grid power, and also monitoring device, and electricity meter, and electric device. Hello, this is Millicent from Deligreen. We can see this is a 5 kilowatt hour power wall. It's 48 voltage, 100 ampere hour battery pack, and one set mounting brisket, positive and negative output wires, USB to RS485 communication cable, M5 screens and bolt, and I will show you the display screen. We can see the pack voltage is 52.61 voltage, and we can see the numbers difference is very small. And the temperature is here. Let's see the capacity. The SOC is 69%, and here is 100 ampere hour. And the BMS state is normal. Hello, it's hybrid 3-phase solar inverter, and it's 13 kilowatt. Hello everyone, this is Millicent from Deligreen, and after agent test, our lithium battery is waiting for package. This is a 51.2 volt and 100 ampere hour battery, and later the worker is going to pack it.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.